and welcome to our next Innovaphone video tutorial. Today we will show you how you can easily set up your phones and get them ready for use from software 13 onwards. In order to do so, you will only have to follow 2 steps. Let's get started with step 1. First, you will have to reset your Innovaphone IP phone. Depending on the model, there are 2 ways to perform the reset. With the first one, you will be using the escape or the home key and the mains adapter of your phone. Keep the escape or the home key pressed and simultaneously disconnect the mains adapter. Keep pressing the button and reconnect the mains adapter. After some time, the red LED will start to flash either very fast or it will be lit up permanently. Now you can stop pressing the key. Once again, you disconnect and reconnect the mains adapter, however this time without pressing any buttons. Now, the entry field for the provisioning code will appear. The second option is to reset your telephone via your phone settings in the menu. Are you able to see the option Administration? Then you can use this way to reset your phone. Step 2. Provisioning. In order to receive the provisioning code that you will need to enter into your telephone, please open myApps. Go to Edit Profile and My Phones and add a new phone. Make sure to select the correct category and click on Next. Now the provisioning code will be displayed and you can enter this code into your desktop phone. Once you have entered the code, you can name your phone and confirm the phone app. Your telephone is now configured. Thank you for watching and see you next time.